In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Freshdesk URL, which is the address you'll use to log in or for your customers to access your support portal. It's a crucial piece of information if you're managing customer support with Freshdesk, and losing track of this URL can be a little frustrating. But don't worry, I've got two simple methods to help you retrieve it without much hassle. Let's start with the first method, which involves using the Forgot Your Help Desk Name recovery option. This is particularly useful if you're unsure of your login URL. Begin by navigating to the Freshdesk login page. You can reach this by typing https://freshdesk.com/login into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the login page, you'll see an option that says Forgot Your Help Desk Name. It can sometimes be easy to overlook these links, but they can be lifesavers in situations like this. Click on Forgot Your Help Desk Name to initiate the process. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email address that's associated with your Freshdesk account. This is usually the same email you used when initially setting up your account or when joining your team on Freshdesk. After you enter your email, Freshdesk will work its magic and display the URL of the account linked to that email address. It's a quick and efficient way to regain access to your Freshdesk URL, and without needing to dig through endless emails or documents. The second method to find your Freshdesk URL requires a bit of detective work, but it's just as straightforward. When your Freshdesk account was first created, you would have received a setup or welcome email. This email typically contains your Freshdesk instance URL, which might look something like yourcompany.freshdesk.com. If you can locate this email, it'll lead you directly to the information you need. If you can't find the welcome email, or if it somehow got deleted, there's no need to panic. Another reliable source of information is your Freshdesk administrator. This person usually has all the administrative access to the Freshdesk instance, and will be able to provide you with the correct URL. You could send them a quick email or message asking for the Freshdesk URL, and they should be able to get back to you in no time. If you're the administrator, double-check any administrative documents or portals where you might have noted your URL. So there you have it, two clear and effective methods to retrieve your Freshdesk URL, whether you're using the recovery option on the login page or checking your setup emails or with your administrator. Now you can rest easy knowing you can always access your Freshdesk portal whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.